Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the complete phone, the complete new phone, the iPhone. So let's start. Basically, the phone is completely same from the inside as that of iPhone 7 and the iPhone 8. But there's a but here. The glass is durable this time and the aluminum design is still there. That's a really big thing that we are dealing with. Now, on the other hand, we are brilliant 4.7-inch Retina HD display, which is over the AMOLED display. Apple is using this magnificent display from a long time now. But the main attraction is the A13 Bionic, the desk burner, desktop capable chip as Apple is advertising on the sites. Now we're getting the portrait mode both in the back and the front camera, but it's only for the people, so your pets are not going to enjoy it at any cost. No night mode. Front cam is of 7 megapixel, back one is of 12 megapixel. You can shoot at 4K up to 24, 30 and 60 fps respectively. And yes, Apple's also claiming that you are gonna get up to 13 hours of video playback and 0 to 50 in 13 minutes with that 18-watt fast charger, which is not included in the box. That's really bad. I'm not sure when Apple is going to do so. Yeah, the phone is splashing into the swimming pool with IP67 rating, making the phone water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, so you can just easily throw it in coffee. You are not going to suffer any damage with a little coffee. So home is making a comeback. The home button, just simply log in to any site just by the Touch ID. The new iPhone is coming in 3 colors. It is in black, in white and that product red. So you're getting 3 color options with the phone. And yes, we're getting the haptic touch motor in the iPhone, which is really a great thing. And we have augmented reality, which is only possible because of the new A13 Bionic chip. And we have stereo audio quality recording, faster Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi 6 here, which is capable of really high send and receiving speeds. We have audio sharing here. What is audio sharing is that you can pair 2 sets of AirPods or the Beats headphone to one iPhone. You're getting dual SIM, one is eSIM, so you can have both your personal number and the business number on the same iPhone. And now the main thing, who doesn't want a Apple logo on their phone but within a budget? Most of the people on earth currently wants an iPhone, or some are Android lovers too, but iPhone is iPhone. For many people, they're not gonna listen to you. So we have this starting from $399 for the 64GB variant, $449 for the 128GB variant, and $559 for the 256, the flagship variant from Apple.